guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is what my makeup vanity looks like right now, and also just to let you know, this is going to be a vlog style video today, which I'm excited about. But yeah, happy 2019, and as I usually say when 2019 rolls around, I like to do clean with me's, I like to get organized, I like to declutter. So if you want to see a video of me decluttering my beauty room, that is on my vlog channel, but I did want to do this with you on my beauty main channel right now, and there's just a lot going on, clearly. So pretty much how I'm going to do this video, I wanted to go through a lot of the items that are in my everyday drawer and obviously organize it, but also I have a ton of new products that I've been wanting to try out, so just organizing my everyday makeup bag, and then I'll probably fast forward some of the cleaning on here because this is just madness, but I thought I would go through with what I do have on my vanity right now, and then we will clean it. So if you want to see more videos like this, vlog style, definitely let me know in the comments down below or give this video a thumbs up. And today is just a super casual kind of day, not fancy, no makeup on, but that's okay. We're just gonna be filming together and cleaning together. So my Sparkle Everyday bags, my favorite. So clearly I have a lot of stuff in here right now, but I'm going to just start fresh with an empty bag of everything that I'm going to be putting into my everyday makeup bag. I'm going to declutter and clean this drawer out, which I really wanted to do that in 2018, but did not have the time, so we're doing it now. Right now we have the Peach Perfect foundation. I wear this every single day, and it's in the color Warm Nude, so I'm going to be putting this into my everyday bag. Also going to put this blush by Tarte in here as well. I use this one like every single day. And here too, which is the Sun Bunny by Too Faced. Better Than Sex mascara. This is a brand new one that I just opened up from PR, so that's going to go in there as well. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to put that in here. I do love Peach Blur, so I'm going to put this in here as well. I use this throughout the day, just to take the oil off my skin because my skin is very oily. So I'd say I have combination skin now, but I've been doing a lot of masking. I will get into a skincare video with you post skin after having twins sometime. But right here, Fresh Sugar is my favorite lip treatment, so I'm gonna have that in there. I'm just gonna start clearing off some of the stuff I have on this side right here, and why don't I just put my camera here? I got this water bottle today from Starbucks, and I just wanted a really big, massive water bottle so I can start drinking a lot more water. And it's rose gold, it's so pretty. I also have the Tarte oil, this one right here. I'm gonna put that into my little makeup bag here. Just got some like little samples of fragrance. Too Faced glosses, this is gorgeous. And that's gonna go in my everyday makeup bag. Okay, go. And these are see-through, so that is why you have to have everything clean in here, because this just looks like a mess. This looks like a mess. All of my new glitter makeup brushes, these launched right in December. Look how pretty they are. Can you see all that glitter, all that fun glitter? And these ones just remind me of like confetti. They're so much fun. I actually love this one. Like the lilacs, that is my favorite. It's beautiful. Almost have a clear vanity. I'm so happy. Not seen a clear vanity in a long time. Probably since my girls were born. Don't know how much I can carry in my hands. Okay. Workout of the day for this mama bear. Okay, so that's pretty clean. Not as clean as this one. There's a few makeup stains, but... So I'm gonna be putting all of my everyday makeup into this drawer. way I was doing this before is I just had pretty decor in both of these drawers, so obviously you would see very pretty things on my vanity since it is see-through. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put makeup that I have not tried yet, so I can start posting and uploading more review videos for you on makeup products. So right in this corner over here, and if you watch my vlog channel, I always show where I store my makeup that I have not tried yet. So I am going to put a lot of this makeup into those drawers just because I tend to just stick to the same things, and I really want to try new products for 2019 and kind of get with it and start reviewing products. So I'm going to grab a few of these drawers out right here. And yes, these are not the sturdiest containers, by the way. They're from the Container Store, and they're actually shoe containers, so be careful. I always say if you're going to get these, just be careful on how much you fill in them, and luckily it's in between walls, so it's not going to fall anywhere, but yeah, you just got to be careful. Then I just keep my brushes in here. Yes, I have to organize them, but I do want to play with the Sugar Peach. I haven't tried it yet. And some of these I do want to try. Just looking at the kind of colors that I think I'll like. So took this container out, and this is actually one of my favorite drawers, and this is all of my Ipsy bag products that I get. So I definitely want, and I love minis. These are going to be perfect for when I travel. I'm probably going to load my makeup bag with a lot of these goodies just because they make sense to travel with smaller items, especially with beauty. It can overtake your suitcase, and I'm packing for 3. I have to pack for me and Sophia, so I have to remember that as well. And I think I'm going to like put a ton of these like little balms that I want to use and try out, and just like some of their skincare too. That I want to try out, so I'm gonna put some of that into my drawers. Stay Blonde, have not tried you. These are so cute, these little bombs. So, not tried that. I have not tried these. Yeah. And I think I'm good so far. I think this is everything that I want to test out. And then I've got my everyday makeup drawer, and then Too Faced goodies. This is the finished look right here. This is what the vanity looks like, and there's just so much space right now for me to actually get ready, and it's just, this is exactly what I needed. I needed a clean redo of my entire vanity, and just I'm just really happy on how it turned out. And I have all of my brushes that I laid out by collection in the front here. Just keeps me very inspired, and I get to look at all my pretty new launches that have come out, and I just love how it looks. So I also have my little perfume collection right here, which I've been wanting to do for so long now, and I just think it looks so adorable. I haven't actually had all my perfumes in one spot in a long time. I have my little Paris picture frame. I have all my Too Faced makeup filled in this drawer right here to try out. I have my everyday makeup drawer right here, and I also made some changes to it. You can see I put the palettes in there as well, but I do have everything in there. Also right here I have all the new Too Faced, which is the prettiest collection I think personally that has come out. And lastly, this drawer right here, I just have all these new goodies, Ipsy goodies, Pixie goodies, and things that I need to try out. So before I can't talk anymore because this is a long video and I'm exhausted, thank you so much for organizing with me. And yeah, that is my entire vanity. If you want to see a very detailed what's on my makeup vanity, then let me know in the comments down below. And the vanity, before I get questions, is from Impressions Vanity. I will leave a link down below on the exact one that I have. So once my beauty room is finished, I'm actually going to be doing an updated beauty room tour. So I am already doing my shelves in the back here, like I have my purses going on right now. I'm trying to get everything finished because I told you that I want to make this room more into a closet. So I can hear the baby girls right now. I think it's my time to go. They're probably hungry right now, so I better go. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And thank you again for being a part of the SL fam. And if you have not followed my vlog channel, make sure you guys head on over. Sorry I don't look good right now. This is just mommy life and how I'm dealing with things and transformation of being a new mom. So if you guys have not yet subscribed to my vlog, I will have a new vlog going up this week, so I'm really excited about that. But I better go right now, but thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.